Have you been tracking your policy's performance? That's the question. Hi, my name is Dale Clark, and this is my business partner, Ryan O'Shea, and we're so excited to be talking with you today. Over the past 15 years, you may have been working with us and setting up life insurance policies, but it's possible that you haven't set up an annual review meeting with us. I want to talk a little bit about the importance of annual reviews because they're super critical. They're a moment in time that we can analyze the growth trajectory of your policy, see if the policy is performing as expected. We use them to, talk about and create open communication with you. There are changes that can be made. Perhaps you have a paid up additions rider that we can add additional cash into the policy by increasing the paid up additions rider amount. There's so many purposes behind this annual review meeting. We also like to set it up because things like life changes happen. And Ryan, why don't you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, thanks, Dale. So lots of things can change in your life, and I'll give you a quick list, but this is not extensive and all-inclusive. There are a bunch of things that could have changed. But when's the last time you reviewed who's the beneficiary on your policy? Did you get divorced? Have you set up some sort of retirement plan where you may want to have some of that money come back in around it to help with the life insurance side of things? When's the last time you did an estate plan? Have you reviewed that? Do you have a trust? Is there maybe an LLC associated with a trust? Is it a business policy that needs something changed around that? So lots of people have a bunch of changes happen in their life. We all have them happen every single year. And if any of those are happening, that would be a reason for us to get on the phone, have a meeting, go over your policy, see if it's doing what it should be doing. And while I'm on that, something that we can do for you is something called an in-force illustration, which is basically a snapshot in time of, hey, how is my policy performing? Is it working how it said it would compared to what I originally looked at? How close are we to that? Have I added more cash and I'm ahead? Have I added less cash and I'm behind? We can review all that. And another thing that comes up in these review meetings all the time for me is, when's the last time you got reminded about, hey, how does a policy loan work? Or something simple like that. And there's probably a dozen more things that we can review there. Is there anything else, Dale, that you would kind of add to the
I think you've covered the list. I just personally love to request an in-force illustration every year on my policies. Mm-hmm. We'd love to do that for you. If you're at all interested in setting up a time to speak with us, we'd be happy to schedule a call with you. Usually these last about 15 to 30 minutes. And so there's a link in this video if you want to schedule a time with either myself or Ryan or our team. Go ahead and click on the link, and we look forward to talking to you.
So the paid up additions rider is a feature that you can include on a whole life insurance policy where you can add additional cash value to your policy by making optional or extra premium payments above and beyond what we call the base premium. This can accelerate the cash value growth on a tax-deferred basis over time. You're also able to take out policy loans or make a withdrawal if you need money in the future.